Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, you will see how to install Windows 11 on our computer or laptop using bootable pen drive. I insert bootable USB pen drive, power on my laptop, continuously press F10, go to BIOS configuration by continuing F10 key. TPM available, TPM state enable, okay. Go to boot option, secure boot disabled, okay. USB diskette correct. Select first disk as USB pen drive device. Second disk is HDD. Press F10 for save BIOS settings. Press F9 for boot device options. Select USB hard disk drive, USB, enter. Select Windows 11. Select language, time and currency. I select English India. And I click next. Click on install now button. Windows 11 setup is starting. Applicable notice and license terms. Check the I accept the Microsoft software license terms and click on next. First option is upgrade. Second option is custom install. I choose install Windows custom. Delete partitions. This is D drive and E drive. Create a new partition. Select, click on next. Install Windows. This can take a long time. Restarting Windows. Remove your USB pen drive. Country region select. I select India. Keyboard layout. Select English India. Second keyboard layout. Skip this option. No, I don't have internet. Continue with limited setup. Enter your name. Enter your password. Create password. Otherwise, next. Click next. Please keep your PC on and plugged in. Don't turn off your PC. Good things coming your way. Don't turn off your PC. Almost there. Successfully installed Windows 11. Right click. Go to personalization. Personalize. Themes. Desktop icon settings. Click computer. Control panel. Network. Apply and OK. See this PC network control panel icons are now visible. Thank you for watching my video.